Alright, we're out here, permanent fish finder, baby. Chasing big bows. Right there. Oh, there you go. Beautiful big rainbows. Let's get the release here, Scott. It's a homework day today.
I don't think he believes we're putting him back.
Yeah, he's probably just wondering what the heck is going on here.
Goes.
Look at that clear ice underneath there. Scotty, thumbs up, buddy.
That's how it's done.
It's
Permanent fish finder style.
Homework day. Homework day. We're not giving up the lake. You're gonna have to.
I'm gonna stick
You're gonna have to.
suckers.
You're gonna have to come out and
You're
play
gonna
with the
go to
fish finder.
permanentfishfinder.com or icefishingtours.com to get your chance at these rainbows.
That's right. We just got started.
Got something that's pulling some line here, Scotty.
You got a doozy this time.
Got a heavy fish there, buddy. Yeah, permanent fish finder coming to you live from a very remote. Oh, that's a nice heavy fish, man. Look at that fish.
Just completely blocked out that hole.
Yeah, that's a big
That's
rainbow.
a big guy.
That's a big rainbow. Ooh, he's wrapped up, so be careful.
Just let him spin out. There we go. Get the tension again.
Oh, that's a nice heavy fish, man. Okay, helping out. Don't straighten that hook, buddy. Don't straighten that hook. Oh boy.
Can't grab him.
Good enough, back at you. There you go here. Put his head in there. Off he goes. Whoa, he didn't want to waste any time getting back. Scotty. Oh, what's that all about, buddy?
Good fun.
Good fun.
Permanent fish finder. Yeah. Come
Hey.
fishing with me. Come fishing with Brad. Our new man, Hayden's out.
He's out
Ricky dog.
That's
We got a
right.
whole slew of guys that put you on fish just like that.
That's right. Close to Whistler. Close to the winter wonderland of Whistler.
That's right. That's right.
All right, back to
Ready?
fishing. Look at that beautiful rainbow, bud.
Nice color.
Okay, we'll get the release.
Oh, he's feisty. Spitting up my shrimp.
Right on. Right on there. Another one. Hey.
Another cold hand day. Fighting fish.
How's that water?
Yeah, it's nice and warm, you know. You might take a bath later, jump in, take a swim.
Wipe that smile off your face, boy.
No!
Back
Never!
to work. Back to work.